Here today I have an unboxing of the camera slider by GVM. This is their 31-inch carbon fiber motorized slider. It comes in this carrying bag here, which is pretty nice. It's not a hard case, it's a soft case, and it's holding the slider with foam. So, nice little carrying bag. And then inside we have a little card for instructions on how to set up the follow and pano and whatnot. And then we have their instruction manual and another little card. And then the slider is actually beneath this little piece. So we have the slider here, and then it also comes with quite a few different shutter triggers for your camera. So I think it has pretty much every brand that you can think of for the shutter release. And then we also have the cable, USB cable that's going to connect to the remote to the slider. And they also include a battery. And these are just standard batteries that you would typically have. A couple of my lights have these same type of batteries. And then we have the remote. An extra, what do I call it? Like the guide for where the motor actually slides on. And then the charger for the battery. So we'll take the slider out of here. Alright. So the slider here has a leveling dot on top. We have the motor here. We have the rubber chain, if you want to call it, that moves it back and forth. And then the carbon fiber sliders, and then an aluminum guide, as well as aluminum legs and frame. So to open it, you simply pull them down, and they are adjustable. So if you're on an uneven surface, or if you just want to have a different angle, you can adjust each single leg. And then also we have here on the side, it's a knob that lets you change the direction that the slider's going to travel. So this is used for tracking an object or doing panoramic shots. And on the side here, it does come with some notches that tells you where you're at, so you can line them up the same on either side. What else? So the mounting plate here has a 3/8 and a 1/4 inch screw. So if you want to use a ball head, or your ball head, you could mount it on here, or if you want to mount the camera directly to your slider, you can do that. That's pretty much it from an unboxing perspective. And we have a knob here that locks the slider. But that's pretty much it. Quick unboxing of the slider by GVM.